me in.
He doesn't know how to throw a regular. This is Mr. King of the Hood.
Demon.
OG Debo. This
Yo,
King of the
edit
Hood.
that, son.
This is King of the Hood.
I don't burn.
He got the smoke.
Yo,
OG D.
Yeah.
He started this for this shit.
the boom.
He started his
Started
camera
the
shit.
problem.
Yeah, I'm out here. Yo, check it
Started
out.
the problem.
Justin right here.
What up, man? We here.
Prince of the Hood.
We here.
You
You
understand?
know.
One of the princes of the hood.
Yeah.
You already
Man
know.
behind the cameras are also a prince of the hood.
Can I get?
Dino,
Can I?
Dino,
You
yeah, my
understand?
nigga.
Can I?
Dino.
Can
He
I?
also
yeah,
a
my
prince of the hood. Look at him right there
Yeah,
next
my
to you.
nigga.
You understand?
You
These dudes right
fix that
here.
up real quick.
These dudes right here is what you call the heirs to the throne. You understand what I'm saying? These are the heirs to the throne. We doing big things, so I don't even gotta talk about underdogs. You understand? These dudes is coming up crazy. The young guards is real strong right now. They got etiquette, class. They move with style, finesse. You understand what I'm saying? They take care of business. Ain't no BS going on out here on the block.
They put in that work.
Exactly.
Let's not talk about this crazy nigga.
Let's not.
He choke niggas out.
Let's not.
Nah, I
He
just
choke
defend
niggas
the
out.
block.
You understand?
He choke niggas out, nigga.
Nah,
Choke niggas
nah,
out.
nah,
Look what we doing, nigga.
Nah, I don't
Too
know.
close.
I don't even
You
take.
too close, man. You too close. You too close, man. You too close.
I don't take any.
He don't take no blood.
glory in
Good footage, man. This is what we do on the block.
Yes,
It's a landmark.
We out here. I had the horses on the block for the little kids today. King of the hood.
King of the Hood did that. King of the Hood did
For the
that.
little
We got
kids.
10 stacks, nigga.
You understand?